The JLab JBuds Frames. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the JBuds Frames by JLab. These are wireless audio for your glasses. These have a universal fit and will work on eyeglasses and sunglasses. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user guide, a magnetic charging cable, rubber sleeves for the clips, and a carrying pouch. The JBuds Frames features 8 hours of listening time, Bluetooth 5.1, 16mm drivers. It has EQ settings, JLab Signature and JLab Bass, button controls, magnetic charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The frames are fairly small with a plastic feel. It has a matte finish all around, and on the outer face you have the JLab logo. On the back you can see the clips that will hook on the frames. On the top you'll find the status LED light and the button control. On the bottom you'll find the microphone, charging contacts, and speakers. Here they are side by side. Installing it is simple. Just find the left and right indicator and make sure it faces towards your ears. Hook them on the frame as closest to your ears as possible. If they feel loose, you can use the rubber sleeves that it comes with to secure them into place. And that's it. They're ready to go after you pair them. The button controls are straightforward, a few clicks to navigate playback and calls. And as mentioned, these also come with the EQ settings, JLab Signature and Bass Boost. And now let's take some measurements. The frames come in at 2.1 by 0.4 by 0.7 inches. It weighs in at 23 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation over the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the JBuds Frames microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and you can use the frames independently, left or right side. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the JBuds Frames. They were comfortable and light once installed on the glasses. You don't even notice you have them on, and there's no pressure against your head. They felt tight and secure on the frames. Build-in quality is good. They feel durable and solid. Button controls responded well with no issues, and battery life is fair, coming in at 8 hours. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it has its presence, but it's not that deep, punchy bass. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and vocals and instruments do stand out. Cycling through the EQ presets, it does give it a slight boost, but nothing substantial. The sounds are pretty close to a semi-in-ear design type earbud. Overall, these JBud frames are solid and a good choice for those that don't want headphones or an in-ear type earbuds. You will lose some audio quality in a noisy environment given its open speaker design. But for the price, these are another choice for those that are seeking an alternative to listening to music. So that is my review of the JLab JBuds Frames. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.